Meaning of franglais.
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 franglais,
Franglais. Franglais refers to a mixture of French and English languages commonly used by bilingual speakers. It involves interchanging words or phrases from one language to another, creating a hybrid language. The term is derived from combining the French words français, French, and anglais, English. Franglais is particularly common in Quebec and other francophone regions where bilingualism is prevalent. The use of franglais has become controversial since it is considered by some to be a corruption of both languages and may lead to a loss of cultural identity and language purity.